equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your ASUS GU603Z and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is essential to avoid any mix-ups later on. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. It's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help improve performance. Now, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually a flat ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism. If you find this step challenging, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. With the connector detached, you can now remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws or clips holding it in place. Make sure to remove these before attempting to lift the keyboard out. If you're unsure about any part of this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once the old keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely locked in. If you're feeling overwhelmed, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. After the keyboard is secured, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Finally, power on your ASUS GU603Z and test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with any concerns you may have. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your ASUS GU603Z. Enjoy your refreshed laptop experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.